Hello, my name is Sebastian Mielek and I'm application engineer at Walter Machines. In this tutorial, we will show you the function and the benefits of heel grinding on a jointing cutter, which is perfectly suited for this operation.
We need to grind the base body with our 2-in-1 machine and its powerful spindle before eroding the first clearance. The grind enables us to have only the electrode to erode the PCD and will therefore shorten the cycle time drastically. The Geometry tab gives us the option to set the distance to edge and grind depth, which defines how much has to be eroded for the first clearance angle. The 1A1 position method will be located 90 degrees to the cutting edge and enables us to grind along the PCD without touching the PCD.
I hope this tutorial can help you in your work with our machines. My colleagues and I will be happy to answer any questions. You can find the contact details in the video description. Thanks for watching and the best of success!